How to archive chats on your Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can archive chats on your Telegram account. So first of all, open your Telegram app. And now once you're on the Telegram app, make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, let's say this is the chat which you want to archive. So there are basically two ways on how you can archive a chat. So the first one is simply swiping the chat to the left. That way you will archive the chat. And now the second way is by simply press and hold on the chat. After that the chat will be selected. Then you'll have to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now it will basically provide you with four options. Those are archive, mark as unread, clear history and block user. So since we are here to archive chat, we'll tap on the first option, archive, and that is how you archive chats on Telegram. Now if you want to unarchive those chats which you just archived, on the top side of your screen you'll see the option archive chats, where all of the chats which you have archived will stay. So simply tap on it, and then if you want to unarchive this chat, simply long press on it, tap on the three dots and then tap on unarchive. So that is basically how you archive and unarchive chats on Telegram. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.